Hello students, this is Anusha, your science teacher, here you to explain you second lesson of class 7, that is acids and bases. Acids and bases. Before we start, let us warm up with some questions. I am going to ask you some questions, you are supposed to answer. Okay, now, what the food items you eat daily? Different, in your class lesson number 1 and in class 6 and now also in class 7 you have learnt about food items, ingredients, how to prepare them. Preparation of food is okay, is a part. Preparation is very important. After preparation, what is very important? Storing is very important. So preparation, storing. So your mother might have made pickles, isn't it, recently, mango pickle and all. So where does she store the pickles? Pickles are not stored in metal containers like copper, aluminium, not in metals like copper, aluminium, iron. She is not going to put that items in these metal shards. You know why? Because these all are the metals which react with the pickles, and as with the pickles, and the green scales are formed on the container which consists of these pickles. So it is very important. They are going to store it only in glass, isn't it, or clay. Maximum glass they prefer. Previously they used to do with clay or plastic, which don't react with them. Not only that, tamarind, tamarind, lemon. These all very specifically we are not supposed to store in these metal containers. Of course they are very good for the health. Copper, they started drinking water in the copper, and yes, it's very good for the health, but it is not good to store the pickles in those, because they are going to react with it. And why they are going to react with it, and what makes them to react with it, and what happens when you store some pickle, what is the nature of the pickle inside your head, and why you should not store it. And not only that, one more thing also I want to ask you. When you feel acidity problem in your stomach because of overeating, acidity problem you will face. So when acidity problem you take, if you feel that your stomach is upset of some acidity, you will take some kind of what I mean to say is like Eno or antacid tablet. Why? What is the reaction which has been so you can get rid of that pain. So what does the antacid or Eno reaction makes in your stomach to make your stomach not to feel that much upset? Let us see. These are all the lessons, and at the end of the lesson you will know the reason about why the pickles are not stored, why the acidity, when the acidity is formed, why we use antacids or Enos or something. Okay, so let's go into the lesson into deep. Yeah, what is the main food item? See, this is your lesson, acids and bases. So in your daily life we use a lot of materials. Even our food has a lot of variety. Different items also have different taste, is it not? See, when you make a tea, or when you take a tea decoction, if you don't add water to it or milk to it or sugar to it, it tastes somewhat bitter, isn't it? And your bitter gourd, what you eat, is bitter to taste. Your orange is sour to taste. lemon is served to taste. The different food items have different, see, orange is served to taste, isn't it? Lemon is served to taste. Sugar cane is sweet to taste. Bitter gourd, the name itself says that it is bitter to taste. Okay, next, what salt, the common salt what you use is salty to taste. Common salt what you use is salty to taste. So like this, different types of taste you feel in your daily life. One substance will give you a different taste. Mirchi will give you spiciness, isn't it? Mirchi or chili you can call. It is spicy to taste. Like that, different items will taste you, give you a different taste. Next, in preparing and storing food, we take a lot of care. In this chapter, we would try to understand the reasons for them. Yeah, as I already told you, the pickles or something, they are not stored in the, even the tamarind also, they are not going to store in a metal containers. They are going to store in a plastic or a glass container instead of that. Why? What may be the reason? Why they are storing it like that? Let's see. Next, what sort of food we eat? We eat different sort of food, like you can say different sort of foods which are very sweet, which are very spicy, which are very salty, which are very spicy, hot, sweet. Different types of foods you are going to eat it. Next, are all of them alike? For example, do they have the same color, taste, etc.? You are supposed to write the questions. The textbook questions I am going to write, to discuss here, you are supposed to write in your textbook for sure. Take one pencil and start writing. Next, yeah, we will go. Next, so what sort of food do we eat? What sort of food we eat? We eat different types of food, isn't it? The food which is sour to taste, which is bitter to taste, which is spicy to taste, which is what, salty to taste. Like this, different types of food we eat, isn't it? And next one, are all of them are like, for example, do they have the same color and taste? No. Suppose if we take orange, it has, which taste it has? As I already told, sour to taste. Vinegar, you know about this vinegar? Vinegar, you know about this vinegar? Yes, this vinegar is used in your noodles, to make it tasty. So which taste it gives? It gives sour taste. More, pepper, pepper is spicy to taste. So suppose we take noodles only, you take noodles only, what are the things added in the noodles? What are the things added in the noodles you have learned, isn't it? What? Carrot, beans, isn't it? Next, carrot, beans, potato, next chili powder, capsicum, isn't it? Like this, different fruits, different vegetables you are going to add in noodles. Are they same in taste or color? They are same. See, carrot is in red in color, beans is in green in color, Potato is in somewhat brown in color. They all have same color? No, they don't have same color. They have same texture? No. Same taste? No. They are something different, isn't it? So each one has different taste. Next, in what way are they different? They are different in their color. They are different in their taste. They are different in their what appearance also. Color, appearance, mostly they are same, isn't it? Even the appearance, isn't it? Appearance will also be different. They are not same. The food items all you combine and you make curry, but all the things are not same, isn't it? Yeah. Next, what kind of taste do food substances we eat have? They have different taste, like spicy, like sweet taste, spicy taste, next sour taste, next what you all have, bitter to taste. These all are the different tastes you had it. Next, from fruits and other food substances have different taste. Write the names of the food substances that you know in the appropriate column based on the text. They have given one column to you, the box. In the box you are supposed to write what all are the food items, what all are the food items taste different. I said na, bitter, sour, sweet, isn't it, spicy. These are the different tastes we feel in the food when you are eating. So let's make a table and write some examples so that you can understand very better. Yes, we'll go with it.